Some birds are better at hunting than others, and this male clearly isn't the best. He was her mate last year as well. Could his idle nature be the reason why last year's clutch failed? The chicks should be growing exponentially, yet they are getting noticeably hungry. The female is agitated. She looks for food that he may have stashed away, but there's nothing. It was at this time last year that their 2 chicks died. And he's now spending this critical time preening. Their flight feathers are beginning to grow, and prolonged hunger at this age could weaken them. For a gerfalcon, strong flight feathers are vital. It's time for the mother to take things into her own hands and start hunting too. She uses her immensely powerful wing beat to gain height. Her incredible eyesight allows her to watch the ground below without being seen herself. Even at 1,500 feet, she can detect the slightest movement below. If the hares don't move, they're safe. Once she identifies a target, she moves into the sun so she can't be seen. That's only half the battle won. She now has to carry her kill miles back to the nest.